10 kilos in 10 days. This meal plan is unique as it's oil and sugar free. I have customized the diet plan with a slight Indian touch and will be giving 2 breakfast and dinner options. This meal plan is easy to follow and made with easily available and inexpensive ingredients. This diet plan will give you good results provided you don't cheat for 10 days. I also recommend light to moderate exercise like walking. So without much ado, let's get started. Start your day with turmeric tea or lemon and chia seed drink. Turmeric is a natural detoxifier. The active ingredient in turmeric, known as curcumin, increases thermogenesis. This leads to fat burning and helps with weight loss. Although lemons taste acidic, they are actually alkalizing within the body. Balancing the body's pH can help to lower inflammation. Chia seeds are an ancient superfood and thought to have been a staple of Mayan and Aztec diets. The fiber in them helps you to feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it prevents the urge to have unhealthy snacks. Note that chia and basil seeds are entirely different and not the same. After 40 minutes, have your breakfast. For breakfast, I am sharing 2 smoothies. First one is apple banana smoothie, which I had already shared. The links will be down below in the description box. To make the second smoothie, into my blender, I am adding in 1 roughly chopped apple, 1 medium carrot, roughly chopped, half cup of water. Note that I like my smoothie slightly on the thicker side. If you want thinner smoothie, add 1 cup water. Instead of water, you can also use coconut water or any fruit juice. Now squeeze in 1 lemon. You can also use orange juice instead. For sweetness and for a sudden energy boost, add in 3 dates, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground cinnamon powder, or you can use a small piece of cinnamon stick. And now blend all this together until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Apples contains compounds that promote the growth of good bacteria in your stomach. The high water content and amazing amount of fiber will keep you full until your next meal. Carrots are low in calories and full of nutrients, and it will provide you with vitamin A needed for the day. Did you know that vitamin A plays a role in reducing abdominal fat? Even though dates are high in sugar, they contain many different minerals. These minerals can help in lowering blood pressure and regulates fluid balance in the body. Cinnamon is another miracle spice that helps in weight loss. It charges belly fat, suppresses your appetite, and keeps you feeling fuller. Now moving on to lunch, lightly toast 1 brown bread and top it with 1 sliced boiled egg. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Along with it, have 1 sliced apple sprinkled with freshly ground cinnamon. After half an hour, have 1 cup of matcha green tea or regular green tea. To know what is matcha green tea and how to make this Japanese green tea, please check the links below for the video which I had already shared on matcha green tea. Eggs are among the healthiest food. Eggs are incredibly nutrient dense and filling, mainly because of their high protein content. High protein foods reduce appetite and increase fullness. And when topped on brown bread, they make a filling meal along with apple and cinnamon. In the evening, have a cup of green tea or matcha tea. In between, if you feel hungry, you can snack on carrots, cucumbers, celery sticks, or beetroot slices. Remember, this is a sugar and oil-free diet. If you crave for sugary snacks, you can have up to 3 dates. Now moving on to dinner, have a bowl of masala oats. This lightly spiced oats will make you feel fuller along with the vegetables. I had already shared the recipe and the links will be down below. Now for those who don't like masala oats, you can have this simple oatmeal with jeera and coconut. Check out my video on how oats helps in weight loss. Make sure you have your dinner by at least 7:30 p.m. And last but not the least, at bedtime, have a glass of warm lemon water. Lemon is not only rich in vitamin C, but it is also an immune system booster. It also acts as blood purifier and improves the body's ability to get rid of toxins. Lemon is also a superior body alkalizer. It helps to maintain the pH levels in the body. It prevents acne and wrinkles and gives you a glowing and clear skin. Don't forget to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water. You can also try my fat cutter drink. Do try this meal plan and share your results with me. If you like this video or would like to see more such videos, please give a thumbs up.